Are you struggling with your squats? Finding discomfort and pain because of tight hips? Tight hips can also lead to issues with your knees, lower back, and sacroiliac joint. We need to fix this. Sit straight on a chair with your legs stretched wide apart. You can either have your back resting against the backrest or sit independently. With your legs wide apart, you're getting a good stretch at the hip joint, and this is also very relaxing because you are seated comfortably on a chair. Keeping the back straight, shoulders relaxed, have your hands resting on the thighs. Now lift your right heel off the floor and you will feel a deeper engagement at the right hip joint. Bring it back. And now lift the left heel off the mat. Bring it down. Now lift both the heels off the mat. Stay there, hold this pose. Now bring your heels back on the mat. Lift them up, back on the mat. Repeat this stretch multiple times every day, at least for a few weeks to see positive results. And soon you will make friends with the squat. Thanks for watching this video. Do subscribe to my channel Shakti Yoga with Shaili. I'll see you soon.